XE, or increased safety, is a protection concept designed to prevent sparks, arcs, and excessive temperatures during normal operation. Unlike XD, XE does not rely on containing an internal explosion. XE prevents ignition by avoiding sparks, arcs, and dangerous surface temperatures. XD contains an internal explosion if one occurs. XE takes a different approach. It is designed so ignition sources are not produced during normal service. XE equipment uses increased creepage and clearance distances, reliable terminals, better insulation, mechanical protection, and temperature control to reduce ignition risk. XE is commonly used for terminal boxes, junction boxes, motor terminal chambers, lighting terminal compartments, and equipment where normal operation does not produce sparks. For XE protection, installation quality is critical. Loose terminals, wrong glands, poor earthing, or damaged insulation can create heat or faults that compromise safety. XE Increased Safety is a prevention-based protection concept. It works when certified design, correct installation, and disciplined maintenance are all preserved.